Hey guys, Focus on Kitchen. I'm Julia. Fast Food Fridays up and I have some delicious pastry filled with a curry tomato chicken filling. They are absolutely delicious. A yummy little lunch bite or a snack or as an easy dinner with a salad on the side. So good, so let's just get started. First up, fry some chicken breast together with salt, pepper and a little bit of oil. When the chicken is done, cut it into some smaller bits. In a pot, melt down some butter and then add in some red onion and fry for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then in with some tomato paste and some flour and curry powder. Stir that in and then just gradually add in some heavy cream just until you have a nice thick sauce, and taste it with salt and pepper. I'm going to mix all my chicken in there and just mix it well around. Just set aside this to cool down for about 20 to 30 minutes. My oven is already at 180 degrees C convection oven or at about 350 degrees Fahrenheit convection. One puff pastry sheet and just cut that into 8 squares. Add the chicken filling to 4 of them and place the other puff pastry sheet on top of them. Close them all the way around with a fork or your fingers and then cut 3 or 4 slices on top. Do that to them all, and after that they are ready to be baked in the oven for about 16 to 18 minutes, just until they are really nice golden brown and crispy. After that they are ready to be served. You can serve them cold or warm. I like them warm, but they are delicious both ways. I want to cool down here. Yeah, there's some good stuff. Yum, guys. Promise me you'll try this out because it is too good not to give a go. All the ingredients are down below. Don't forget to subscribe here. And don't forget to check in again tomorrow for my No Shame Saturday. Bye!